wait. Hey guys, this is the My Pet gift box unboxing. This is for Jack's birthday, who today is 13, and he wants to open the box. What's in it? We got a card. Lucky, sit down. Sit down. Oh, he's found treats. And let's get a card. Oh look, happy birthday card. What'd you get? Me? Yeah, guys, this is called My Pet gift box. I found them on Amazon, and we do have a 50% voucher going. I don't actually have the card with me. A suit we got some pooch and health food for dogs, health and digestion. And Jack's just like, give me a treat. Happy birthday! He's 13 years old. Oh, this is my room. It's all my signed posters and stuff. Big Xena fan and Warhorse fan. What else do we get? We've got Pet Munchies chicken calcium bones. We've got freeze-dried chicken on it, which the boys love. What else do you get, Jack? Oh, I see something. He's got a little birthday cake. That's cute. And he's got a Kong toy. I'm not gonna nick that. It's a little monkey. We love Kong toys. And this is the one Jack's been after. The Kong ball of string. You just like, gimme. You can have that for a minute. What else do we get? More treats. We've got Alfie's Diner, suckling chicken, crunchy and creamy dog bites. Interesting. And the last thing in the box, we have Bottom Sniffer. We have beer for dogs. Don't worry, it's not alcoholic, it's like chicken broth and stuff. Well, he's destroyed that. Well, put these back in here nicely for a minute. Did it squeak? Well guys, that was the pet gift box unboxing, and this was Jack's birthday present. And he also had a steak dinner and a big load of new tennis balls and that tennis ball. So thank you so much to My Pet gift box. We're very grateful. And guys, please look them up because they're really good. If you want to have a little birthday box for your dog. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Happy birthday, Jack.